There's really nobody here, guys, except me. Look at the footsteps.
Here at the map.
What camping area this?
This is Birch Bay, and it is in Blaine, Washington. Easy peasy. Let's see what happens. Not like last night where we ended up in the boonies. Don't come in late to a campground like that. I must drive into the ocean if we're not careful.
Yes.
It was a little bit scary. It was like, this does not feel like a road. Living in the moment, according to her cup. Live in the moment. And then I will live in the moment too. There you go. Doesn't get any more beautiful than that. In front of the camper.
It's a kind of messy.
It's a little messy. Not too bad, huh?
That's what camping for.
That's what camping's
All about. Bye-bye, huckleberries. Bye-bye, huckleberries. See you later. We have to go home. Bye-bye, beautiful views.
Time to go.
Time to go, he said. So bye, Huckleberry Farm.
Huckleberry Farm forever.
What are you singing?
There's a song from the Beatles that has the word huckleberry in it.
Oh, mine is my Huckleberry friend. It's not Beatles, it's like Moon River. My Huckleberry friend. It's like that.
There she is, Miss America.
Miss America.
Philippines, I guess.
Oh,
Miss Filipina.
Miss Philippines.
Hi, Lori.
Hi, Christian. We're getting ready to go to
Thompson Falls, Montana.
And right now we are in Old Town, Idaho.
Old Town, Idaho. We picked up some lawn chairs and a hammock or whatever that is. That you
Chairs in our property.
In their containment. We have a 5 acres over here in Old Town that we're getting ready to start working on a little bit. And we've got, what do they call those, shipping container on there with all of our garage. We put our entire garage in there the other day.
So are we going to show it?
Well, we'll show it. We have pictures of it. If you're looking at YouTube, there's one on the screen right now. Right there. See it?
I'm not seeing it.
Well, you're not seeing it because you're not here. It's not here right now. It's magic of YouTube later on. The magic of
okay.
YouTube. I put it right there.
Right there.
See it right there now?
Right there.
Do you see it right there now? In your mind's eye, right up here, you see it right there?
Right there.
Here we go, sweetie pie.
There we go, sweetie pie.
Welcome to Idaho.
This is Idaho, guys. It's in Panhandle. The bridge is the border between Washington and Idaho.
Okay.
There you go.
Just turned on our EcoFlow alternator charger, which gives us 800 watts of charging power while we're going down the road, so that we can keep our EcoFlow Pro fully charged up. Our battery is fully charged up in the back. And there you go. And we're not even, here we go. Yeah. People like that kind of stuff too. I know that's boring for you, but the guys like it.
Yes, the guys likes it. You know, it's boring
For you.
for me.
We'll be in Priest River here in about 5
Yes,
minutes.
First River, Idaho. This is where the place I landed. From Philippines to Priest River, Idaho. And I love this place. That's why I keep coming back. Plus my sister lives here.
Oh, there's that.
This is Irma. She is first time in the patch. And I introduced her to the Huckleberry. There's a lot. Yes, if nobody will pick, and this is Irma. She's kinda excited.
Oh my life.
She's excited now. She's excited now. Look at that. Now she knows what's Huckleberry now. In real life. And now she's just eating as she said, no. I can't blame her because that's me too. It's like a bear.
Beautiful bear.
Look at that. It's packed.
Ang dagano ay asam ti medyo.
Ay-
Nice. Ang dagano mo gud.
Oh, look at that, guys. Close to,
We can be millionaires here.
yes, it's $100 per gallon.
I don't mind the stain.
Padung pa.
Oh, mag-dentist ra ba ko ugma, guys?
No, sa ilalom. Look at that, guys.
Oh, here. Show.
A lot.
There's more.
Hi. Happy boy. Happy boy.
We got two more. Glacier National Park and Montana.
Oh.
There are refrigerators.
Okay. This is how it looks like inside. Lots of huckleberries, goodies in St. Regis, Montana. Here in St. Regis dog park because our baby needs to have bathroom. Our big boy, Bobby Bee Boo Boo.
I think he's gonna.
Here's the daddy. So this is St. Regis, Montana Dog Park. I like it.